Rainy day help. It was a cold, rainy afternoon when Sarah noticed an elderly man struggling to carry a suitcase up the stairs. At the train station, most people passed by without looking, but Sarah couldn't ignore it. She walked over and gently asked, "Would you like some help?" The man smiled gratefully and nodded. "Yes, thank you. It's heavier than I expected." Sarah grabbed one side of the suitcase and helped him slowly climb the steps. As they walked, he introduced himself as Mr. Hakim, a retired carpenter visiting his daughter for the weekend. When they reached the platform, Mr. Hakim thanked her again and offered her a small chocolate bar from his coat pocket. They stood and talked for a few more minutes until his train arrived. Before he boarded, he said, "Kindness like yours makes the world a better place." Sarah left the station feeling warm inside. Even though her jacket was soaked, she hadn't done anything big, but that small moment of connection made her day feel meaningful.